Probably. Hi students, good evening everybody. Yesterday we have done permutation combinations 2, and today is the last day of permutation combinations. So it will be very easy for you to understand this session because it has application of all that things what we have learned. So good evening Grishma. Now let's try to move forward everybody. Clear? What did we learn yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we have learned permutation combinations day 2. Now today we are going to do day 3. Yesterday we have learned completely about P. P is nothing but arrangement. P is nothing but arrangement. We have done everything which is related to what? Number arrangement. We have done related to what? Letter arrangement. You all know that. These all things we have done yesterday. Are you understanding everybody? And the session what we going to do today is combinations, and along with combinations we'll do permutation combinations together. Are you understanding everybody? All these things will be done definitely today. Okay, be ready with that. After the session I will just try to share the same PDF file that comprises of all the questions of permutation and combinations in the what Telegram group. Okay, the students who are new today, they have come for the first time. Yes, Ravikant, definitely will be having, because we are in the middle of this permutation combinations. If I had a doubt session, then you would have like a little bit doubts from here. Now you'll have the total doubts. I'll tell you the day when you have. Rakesh Naidu joined. Yes, Kasi, very good. Clear. Now, so yesterday we have done, on YouTube live. Today we are going to do here. Let's try to move across here. Now, what did it say here? Listen, whenever we have done n people n places, we call it as npr. That is what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This we have done. This is the permutation. Okay, but what happened? Have a look here. Listen everybody, I'm teaching the basics now. Here 3 people are there. I want to arrange 2, not select 2. Remember everybody, I'm going to arrange 2 people. Only 2 people I'm going to arrange. So how many ways I can arrange 2 people? So either AB can sit, or BC can sit, or AC can sit. I'm arranging them. One of the student can also raise a doubt. Sir, why don't we arrange BA? He's right. So we can arrange BA also. Why don't we arrange CB? Yes, we can. Why don't we arrange CA? Yes, we can. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Yes. This is said to be nothing but arrangement. 2 people can sit in the form of AB, or they can sit in the form of BA. Are you understanding everybody? Is it clear to you? Yes. Now, let's try to have a look here. Suppose same three people, only 2 people have to select. What I'm going to do now, I have to select 2 people for the job. Here I am doing the arrangement. Are you understanding everybody? So here, how many ways we can select? So it can be AB, it can be BC, it can be AC. So students, this is what we call it as what? What do we call it as? We call it as selection. So when you select A and B for the interview, when you select A and B for the interview, can you select once again B and A also for the interview? No. Selecting A, B is same like selecting BA. Selecting A, B is same like selecting BA. And selecting BC is same like selecting CB. Selecting AC is same like selecting CA. In sitting, these two are different arrangements. In sitting, these two are different arrangement. But in selection, they are not. Students, please copy this thing faster. This is a very, very important concept what you're learning right now. Make it faster, everybody. Chaliye, that's good. Okay, have you copied? Yes. Now let me just try to tell you what is the this thing. Okay, this is said to be arrangement. In arrangement, AB is same or different? Different. AB arrangement is different from BA arrangement. But in selection, students, but in selections, AB and BA both are same selections. So in selections, these two are what? Same. So that is the reason we use a formula here, not NP. P means what? Arrangement. We use NCR. NCR. C is nothing but selection. Following everybody? That's good. So here we do n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. What? Are these two same? Yes. Remember students, here one extra thing will come. One extra thing will come, that is nothing but r factorial. This was not here. This was not here. This is there in combinations. Following everybody? Why this is extra here? Why this was not here? Because here we want all the things. We want all the arrangements. Listen everybody, what is this students? This is arrangements. This is permutation. Once again students, what is this total? This is arrangements. Remember everybody, from arrangements you remove the like cases. Then what this will become? Selection. This is selection, this is arrangement. How selection is different from arrangement? In arrangement, if you remove the like cases, rest of all will be selection only. This is a basic difference. Then how to remove, students, how to remove this thing? How to remove from arrangement to how to remove all these things? Just you have to divide it by what? R factorial. This R factorial was not there in the previous formula. This formula says n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, that is arrangements. If you want the combinations from this arrangements, just divide it by. Are you understanding everybody? So just try to understand this. Okay everybody, now let's see, ask you once again, what is this? Arrangement. Remove the like cases, then it will become what? Selections. That's the only difference. How to remove? Just you have to put one extra stuff here, r factorial. Yesterday we have learned one concept called like cases. You remember that? N factorial students divided by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. Why do we divide this thing? Only to remove the like cases from n factorial. Same fashion here also I am dividing this thing by this thing. Why? Only to divide the, only to remove the what? Like cases. I hope you're understanding this. So this we have learned yesterday. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye. Now let's try to move forward now. How the questions will be given to you and what kind of questions are given to you. For example, have a look here. Okay. Now this is what we have done yesterday only. We have done yesterday the same accommodation, live cases. Yesterday you all know that how to do it. 7 people, 7 places, 7 factorial. You all know that. Single bedroom, 1 factorial. Double bedroom, 2 factorial. And 4 persons, 4 factorial. You remember this? Why do we divide, students? This is same thing like n factorial divided by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. Why do we do all these things? To remove like cases. Same thing students, to remove the like cases we are supposed to divide. That's it. Otherwise these two are same. NPR, NCR both are same. Only one common difference is what? You have to eliminate the like cases. Selections na, when you select AB, it's same like selecting BA. AB, BA, they are not different. They are all same. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to have these things. Yesterday we have learned all these questions. It's not like that. Here, yesterday we have learned these Infosys questions also. The word Switzerland. You remember the word Switzerland, everybody? This we have done yesterday. Following everybody? Yesterday we have done all these things. Clear? JSON also we have learned yesterday. Now, let's try to move forward everybody here. For example, here we have got 10 students here. How many people are there? 10. 10 people have gone for an interview. Following everybody? 10 people have gone for an interview, but we have to do only 3 selections. Students, very clear. 3 people wanted to select. That's it. Only 3 vacancies. So what do? Here, are we doing arrangements? No. We're going to do select. In select, we don't use NPR. We do NCR. But is formula is very important. Are we doing with formula or without formula? You know that we are using without formula. Have a look, everybody. Okay, now here the number of people are 10. People are 10, vacancies are only 3. Then we don't use NP3, we use NC3. समझ में आ रहा है? Now let's do it using a formula here. 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. This is all bullshit or nothing. You know, just listen everybody. Okay. Now 10 factorial by 7 factorial 3, and we don't want this thing. फिर से बता रहा हूँ, we don't want this thing. Okay, I'm just teaching you. Okay, 10 into 7 into not 7 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 3 factorial. All this cancel. Again, I am telling you, this is nothing. Just try to listen now. Okay, what do you do now here? 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 factorial. Divided by what factorial, students? 3 factorial. Hope you all know 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. So this comes something like that. Answer will be 120. So here the answer is, in 120 ways I can select 3 people from the group of 10 people. I will select 3 people from the group of 10 people. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Yes, but this is not recommended. We don't use all these things. Okay, now let's try to have a look, everybody. This is of no use. Without that formula, can we do it? Yes. How? Yesterday's concept. Let's try to learn, everybody. How many people are there? 10. How many people you want? 3. So let me do 10p3. Listen, everybody, 10p3. You remember 10p3, everybody? Let's try to learn 10p3. 10 people can sit, 9 people can sit, 8 people can sit. You know, this is 10p3. You remember, everybody? So 10 into 9 into 8 is 10p3. You remember this one? Without formula, we got it. But if you wanted to change this one from P, you are going to do C. That's it. You are supposed to divide by 1 into 2 into 3. When you divide it, this P will become C. Why to divide this? Why to divide this by this? To remove like cases. You remember, everybody, yesterday we have understood why to remove this thing. Why I am supposed to divide? This is permutation, you all know that. From permutation, when you divide this thing, why? To remove the like cases. What are like cases? Let me tell you. Have a look here. A, B, C. When you select ABC, students, when you select ABC, do you think that you will select BCA? No. For the interview, you selected already ABC. How can you select BCA once again? No, you can't select. Wrong. You can't select CBA also. Wrong. You can't select, BAC also. Wrong. All these like cases are there in this thing. In what? In this thing. Listen, everybody. In this thing, all the cases are there. All the cases are there. But when you divide by 1 into 2 into 3, all these cases will be gone. All these cases will be gone. Only one case will be left. Are you understanding the basic common difference between P and C? That's what you need to have, that basic common difference between P and C. How to eliminate all these things like cases to revert this thing. Following, everybody? So what is a way of doing? What is a way of doing, everybody? What is a way of doing 10C3? Nothing but you just don't use this formula. All these things is bullshit. Look how to do it. Very simple. First you do 10p3. 10p3. Look at that 10p3. 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3. That's it. Look, same thing you're getting. Same thing you're getting at the end. When you have to do the same thing, then why you're doing all these things? I hope you are learning these things. Okay, so this is a very common way. Okay, we have a lot of questions to do. Let's try to go across. Have a look here. Suppose somebody say you 55p2. You know 55p2. 55 cases into 54 cases. You all know that. If same person say 55c2. C2 means what? First you do permutations. Divide by 2 factorial, 1 into 2. That's the answer. I hope you all know how to do it. What is 100C3? For doing 100C3, you are supposed to do first 100P3, 199, 98 cases. In these all cases, I wanted to remove the like cases. Just divide by 1 into 2 into 3. I hope you all have learned these things in your lower classes, but my duty is to tell you why this denominator is getting divided. to remove the like cases. So permutations, combinations have this thing. Okay. Yes, Aditi, jo bhi hai, wo bhi hai na? Now, let's try to have a look, everybody, here. Now, in a school science competition, a team of 5 students, school principal told a team of 5 students selected from a group of 5 boys and 3 girls. Are you understanding, everybody? Have a look everywhere. Here I have got 5 boys, 5 ladke, 3 girls. There are 3 girls, everybody. How many students have to be selected? 5 students have to be selected. Principal told for a like a school science competition, we should send 5 students from our school, but the eligible candidates are 5 boys and 3 girls. Following, everybody? How many boys and how many girls? 5 boys and 3 girls. So in how many ways we can select? Are you understanding, everybody? In how many ways we can select? Okay. Now here the number of boys are what? 5 boys and 3 girls. Overall, how many people I must? 5. Overall, how many people? 5. So we all know that there is no condition. There is no condition. How many ways we can select such teams? Okay. You tell me how many people are available over here. We know that. How many people are available here? 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? 8. 8 people are available. How many people are available? 8. From these 8 people, how many people you want? 5. So what's the best answer? 8C5. That's it. Following, everybody? Yes. Selections. 8. 5 boys and 3 girls are available. You want 5. 8C5. But he didn't tell you only girls, only boys. He didn't tell you anything. Yes, Reshma. That is 8C5. We have to do the multiplications and everything. Let's leave it. Okay. But answer is what? 8C5. But what did he say here? Have a look here. What he said in the first question. The first question I'm telling you here is what? Exactly 3 boys must be there. How many boys must be there? Exactly 3 boys must be there. I mean to say, listen, everybody. Exactly 3 boys must be there. Have a look here. Exactly 3 boys means you cannot select all the boys. Exactly 3 boys. Have a look here. So from these 5, when you select 3 boys, from these 5 students, when you select 3 boys, you tell me remaining 2 should be whom? Remaining 2 should be whom, you tell me? Definitely girls. Principal told definitely 5 people must satisfy. Never forget these things. Principal told 5 students must be there. But condition says exactly 3 boys. Yes, you put 3 boys. So remaining 2 should be whom? Remaining 2 should be whom? Girls. So this is the way we are supposed to select. Means you should select 3 boys from 5 boys. Do you have any idea how many ways we can select 3 boys from 5 boys? Have a look, everybody. How can you select? Have a look here. That's very simple. We are supposed to select 5 people. 5C3. And also, what's the basic difference between and or? I'll tell you in the coming questions. Straight in. Okay. I want 3 boys and 2 girls. You also come. Not or 2 girls. It's not or. It's and also. Whenever and comes, you have to multiply all the cases. So we can say 3C2. This is the best answer. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? So this is a condition which is satisfying the first one. Following, everybody? For example, my second condition. Look at this second condition. My second condition is that exactly 1 girl. My second condition is that exactly 1 girl. Students, when he told exactly 1 girl, look, I'm removing this thing. I'm removing all these things. Exactly 1 girl. Exactly 1 girl means only 1 girl, not more than 1. Only 1 girl. Let's try to select 1 girl here. When I select 1 girl, so tell me, you should not forget this. There should be how many boys? Yes, 4 boys. Totally 5 students. Definitely 1 girl. Rest of all 4. This is a condition. Following, everybody? Yes, Reshma is saying that's a 4 boys. 5C4. That's good. And 1 girl. What's that? 3C1. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Yes. Let's try to have one more condition, students. Let's try to have one more condition here. The condition is what here? Exactly 1 boy is selected. How many boys are selected here? He told you exactly 1 boy is selected. Let's try to go and check out this thing, everybody. Let's try to go and check out this thing, whether we can select 1 boy or not. Have a look here. Now, have a look, everybody. 1 boy, 1 boy, 1 boy, 1 boy, 1 boy. Chalo, 1 boy. When we select exactly one boy, you tell me how many girls must be there still? 4. Why? Because this thing you don't forget. You have to satisfy this condition to make all these things and arrangements properly. So 1 is possible, but do you think 4 is possible here? No. You have to manage 5 students when only one boy you told. What you told students? You told only one boy. When you have taken only one boy, the remaining 4 should be girls. Do you think is it possible to select 4 girls from 3 girls? No. Is it possible? It's not possible to select 4 girls from 3 girls. So that is the answer. 0 cases. Answer is what? 0. Why? Because you can select any one boy. That is okay. But you cannot select 4 girls from 3 girls. Are you understanding, everybody? So this we have done. Exactly 3 boys, exactly 1 girl, exactly 1 boy. People try to understand that teams have some conditions. Teams have what? Some conditions. You have to follow all those conditions. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, yes, clear. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. और आगे बढ़ते हैं. Have a look at this one more question. Same question. Okay. Now, so I have got 5 boys. No, look, 5 boys, and I've got 3 girls. I have got 5 boys, and I've got how many girls? I have got 3 girls. Are you understanding, everybody? There are 5 boys and 3 girls. Okay, a team of how many students have to be selected? Students? 5 students. So we have to select 5 students. Should not forget about these things. A team of 5 students must be selected from 5 boys and 3 girls. But condition change. In the previous question, we have different condition. Exactly 3 boys, exactly 1 girl, exactly. But the word he did not use exactly. Student, what kind of word he used? At least. What is the basic difference between at least and exactly? Exactly means exactly that number should come. Not more or not less. That is exactly. But at least means what? Minimum. Don't forget that. This kind of logics will be given very good. What is said that? At least means minimum. Means student, I want 5 students at any cost. In that 5, minimum 2 boys must be there and minimum 2 girls must be there. Following, everybody? Chaliye, that's good, Aditi. Okay, it's minimum. Let's try to select minimum, everybody. Now here I've got 5 people to be selected. In that minimum 2 boys. You can't select 1 boy. You can't select 1 boy. Starting only you have to select how many boys? 2 boys. Without that you cannot do it. Okay. Now let's try to move forward. Minimum 2 boys are there. Well, how many boys are there? 2 boys. Following, everybody? Now you tell me. Don't forget this colorful. You have to select 5 students at any cost. Don't forget that. When you have to select 5, when the 2 boys are there, rest of the 3 should be whom? Girls. Now you tell me. Is Rahul is saying at least means the number can go higher also. That's true, Rahul. That's true. Okay, now I'm taking to the same thing, Rahul. Okay, now 2 boys are there and 3 girls. For example, is it at least 2? Yes. Is this also at least 2 girls? Yes. That's good. So you can select the team like this. Minimum 2, minimum 2. Or else, students, what is this? Or else. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Or else, I'll increase the boys to 3. 3 boys now. When you don't forget these 5 people, okay? When 3 are there, here should be 2. So you only tell me here, is it at least 2? Yes. Is this also at least 2? Yes. Even this case is also a valid case. Either you select this case or what I told, or means there's some extra cases. This is the extra case. Let's try to have one more case. Or have a look, everybody. Sarika, have a look here. Or let me just write down one more case. 4, 1. Listen, 4 and 1. Look at this. When you select 4 boys, at least 2 are satisfying now. Minimum 2. Yes, minimum 2 is satisfying. But do you think minimum 2 girls are satisfied? No. But why you got 4 and 1? Because total 5. Don't forget. This you have to maintain. That's what. Why this last case is not possible, students? The reason behind what? Minimum 2 boys is satisfying, but minimum 2 girls are not satisfied. So this case is not valid case. Either this or, I'm telling you once again, or this. These cases or these cases. Let me calculate all the cases. Okay, 5C2. What is that? 5C2 into what do you call it as 3C3. 5C2 into 3C3. These cases are for this thing. Or else means what? Nothing but plus. Plus, we can also select 5C3 into 3C2. Are you understanding, everybody? All these cases are added with all these cases. Both the cases you should show. That is an or comes. Whenever or comes, you are supposed to keep plus. Whenever and comes, you have to keep into. I hope you have understood that. Yes, Grishma, that's true. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward. This is what the thing I would like to explain you. Okay, so here. Have a look, everybody, here. Okay, this is a very simple one. Leave it. Yeah, let's say this Infosys question. It's not my question, it's an Infosys question. What did it say in this Infosys question? Have a look here. So there are some 12 balls. The 12 balls are divided into 2 equal halves. 12 balls, 2 equal halves means definitely 6 6. You all know that 6 6 means I've got 12 balls. 12 balls have been divided into 2 equal halves and put in box and box Y. Box X and box Y. You kept here how much? 6. Here how much? 6. Remember 6 6. Are you understanding, everybody? That's true. Okay. What did he say that? In how many ways 8 balls have to be selected? It means 8 students. Principal told how many students have to be selected? 8 students have to be selected from girls and boys. From girls and boys. 6 girls, 6 boys. Such that. Here he told how many ways 8 balls can be selected, such that at least minimum 2 from here. From here, how many? Minimum 2 people must be there. And box X, sorry. Yeah. And 4 balls from box Y. Yeah. That's what. Are you understanding, students? This is the same kind of question what the Infosys has given. This is not my question, students. This question was given in Mufakanja College. Okay, when the off-campus was on campus was going on, one of the students have shared this question of balls. There are 12 balls given over here, box X, box Y. They are equally divided and put it in box and box Y. What did he say here? That they are divided to equal halves. Now how many total balls have to be selected? 8 balls. 8 balls have to be selected, but one condition that minimum you should maintain 2 from X, 2 balls from X, and at least means minimum from 4. Okay, so I believe you can do this question. Please try to get the answer. We will go for the next question, please. This is same like the previous question. This is same like boys and girls, at least. Okay, this was an Infosys question. Willingly I want you to do it now. Make it faster, everybody. Yes, Grishma, Reshma, you're getting the correct answers. But I want the final number. 4 options are given to you: Agra, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. Yes, students, I believe that you all people have got it. Amruta, Aditi have got 360. Most of the people have got 360. The reason behind is what? You have to maintain all those cases here. You have to maintain all those cases here. Following everybody? Let's try to have the cases here. At least 2 from box X. Means minimum 2 here. Minimum 2. Oh, I'm sorry. Minimum 2 from here. Don't go less than 2. Okay, now good. Minimum 2 I maintained here. Now when you maintain 2 here, how many should be there? Look this one into brain. Keep this one in your brain. This is 8. How much is here? 6. Because this should satisfy 2 and 6 overlaid. Is this minimum 4? Yes. Is this minimum 2? Yes. Or else increase. I understand, Rahul. Now this case will also come. Minimum means minimum. 3, increase 1, decrease 1. This is minimum 2. This is minimum 4. Minimum 4 is here. Or I'm increasing this one to 4. I'm decreasing this one to 4. Is this minimum 2? Yes. Is this minimum 2? Minimum 4? Yes. But here, when you take 5 and here 3, this is satisfying, but 3 means not satisfying. That's the reason last case we will not go. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. People, these kind of questions are commonly given to you. So what are you going to do now? Here we're going to have the cases 6C2. Have a look here. 6C2 into 6C6. Or it's not like 2 and 6. One more case. What's that? 6C3 into 6C5. Or else 6C4 into 6C6. That's what. You have to multiply all these cases students, I hope you all got the answer as 360. It's not my students, it's a company question. That's the reason I want you to do it. It can be balls, it can be boys and girls, it can be books, it can be questions. 5 questions, there. Look at it, same question. Okay, there are 12 questions in a paper. There are 12 questions in a paper having two sections. Having how many sections? Two sections. Section A, section B. Each section have equal number of questions given. How many ways a student can attempt? How many ways a student can attempt a paper? Minimum 2 from section A and minimum 4 from section B. Same. Balls have changed to question paper. So you should keep this thing in your brain and try to understand. Whenever they gave you, at least you are supposed to do it like that. Okay, students, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward here. So this question we missed here. Look at that. In an online shopping website, if a customer must purchase 3 out of 6 available shirts, 6 shirts are available. How many shirts are available? 6. In the 6 shirts, how many trousers? Trousers means nothing but pants. Bolo, how many trousers are available? 8. Following in online shopping, when you just try to go on a Flipkart and just try to choose your this thing, there are only 6 shirts are available and 8 pants are available. So what did he ask you? How many ways a customer must purchase? 3 out of 6. 3 out of 6 shirts and 4 out of 8 trousers. That's it. Had he told any minimum? No. Had he told any maximum? No. 3 from 6 shirts and 4 from 8. This is the way. Are you understanding, everybody? So we don't have anything. So what's the answer? It's a very simple answer. You all know what's the answer. It's a very simple answer. What's the answer? Answer is very simple. 6C3, 8C3. That's it. Following, everybody, 6C3 and 8C3. Following, we are into selection, students. Selections are nothing but we have to just put C into that, but different conditions. Reshma, you got 1400. That might be true. Are you understanding, everybody? So try to understand that he did not give you anything. Just very straight away. 3 from 4. This is not my question. This is a very old AMCAT question. So people give this kind of questions to you also. Very old means 2015-16 question this was. Since then I kept in the material because students should know that this kind of simple questions will also come. But this was Infosys question which you have done. Following, everybody. Chaliye. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. This is the one which you have to understand here. Look at that. There are 6 routes from Agra to Delhi. Agra to Delhi, there are 6 routes. Look at that. This is Agra. This is Delhi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many routes? 6 routes are there from Agra to Delhi. Following, everybody. And from Delhi to Bhopal, there are 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you understanding, everybody? This is a very common kind of question, students. Okay, how many ways, how many possible ways are there going from Agra to Bhopal? The question is how many ways you can go from Agra to Bhopal. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Now, very common thinking here. From Agra to Delhi, 6 routes. 6 trains are going, 6 trains. From Delhi to Bhopal, 5 buses are there. 5 buses are there. Overall, from Agra to Bangalore, how many ways? From Agra to Bhopal, how many ways? It's very simple, students, as you're getting. So, answer is C. Are you sure this answer is C? No, I have no. Is it A? Listen, everybody. It's quite simple for you. Everybody, have a look here. How many routes are available? 6. Do you think when 6 trains are going, can you go in 2 trains at the same time? No. Will you buy the tickets for 3 trains from here to here? No. You have to select one. He didn't tell you, but you should know practically. Sir, I have to select only one train from here. Only one train. You should understand that. Which train I don't know, but 6 trains are available. So take anyone. 61. Now come from here to here. Sir, from Delhi to Bhopal, 5 buses are going on. Will you buy the tickets of 2 buses? No. Will you buy the tickets of 3 buses? No. You have to choose any one bus and go. 5 buses are available. Which bus? I don't know. You have to select. You are not arranging the buses. You have to select one bus. You have to pick one bus. In your mobile app, you have to pick one bus. Which bus? I don't know. 5 buses are available. I pick anyone. So 5C1. Are you understanding, everybody? Chale, we are supposed to multiply these all cases. These all cases are multiplied with those. 6 fives are. What is 6 fives of students? 30. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? It's something which you should know. Following, everybody? This is something which you should know. Is it clear to you? Rakesh, that's good. That is 6 into 5. Following? Now, let's try to move across, everybody. Let's try to move across here. What did he say here? In an online website, this is not online website. Let's try to believe that. In a cupboard, C-U-B, okay, in a cupboard. In a cupboard, a person has. In a cupboard, a person has 6 shirts. I'm changing this question, students. In a cupboard, a person has 6 shirts and 8 pants. 6 shirts and 8 pants. My question is, how many ways he can get ready for the party? This kind of questions have also come. What did he tell you? How many ways he can get ready for the party? Means he have to wear how many shirts? 0 shirts, 1 pant. No. I think 1 shirt, no pant. What do you think? No, 2 shirts. No, 2 pants. What do we do? How many minutes he can get ready for the party? That's good, Rakesh. Here, he didn't tell you how many shirts, how many pants. He didn't tell you how many shirts, how many pants. By default, we should understand definitely 1 shirt he must wear. Definitely 1 pant. Don't say, sir, he is wearing 2 pants. Are you understanding, everybody? How many ways he can get ready for it? He's not asking you how many ways I can buy 4 shirts. Not like that. Simple question. 6 shirts and 8 pants. How many ways he can get ready for the party? 1 shirt, 1 pant. That is what? 61 and that's it. 6 8 is 48. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Same concept is this concept. Same concept is this concept. 5 roots here, 6 roots here. That's it. You have to select anyone from here, anyone from here. That's it. Why 1? Because we will travel only 1. Are you understanding? That's good, Sunny. That's good. Okay. I hope everybody is understanding. Amit, have a look, everybody, here. Now, let's try to move across and have a look at this question here. So we have to learn the selection part much. After learning selection part, Then we have to learn where to apply permutation and where to apply combination. This is also mandatory, students. Where to apply permutations and where to apply combinations. Let's try to move across and have a look here. In how many ways Ramesh can invite one or more friends from a group of 5 friends? I mean, you've got 5 friends. Let's try to believe 5 friends are there, not 5 friends. Let's try to say 4 friends are there. Ramesh Babu have got only 4 friends. Look at that. That is Amit, Bittu, Chintu, Dintu. Believe that he have got 4 friends. Amit, Bittu, Chintu, Dintu. Okay. Now his father told you can invite one or more. You can invite one also or more. Are you understanding, everybody? Do you know have an idea about what do you mean by one or more? One or more means you can select one student also, or else you can select, or else you can select 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, because he told you one or more. Are you understanding, students? What did it say, one or more? Sunny, your answer 12 is wrong. Let's try to have a look here. So how many ways he can select one student? 4 students are available, 4 friends. He wants to invite only one. What's that? 4C1. What is the value of 4C1? 4. What are these 4 ways? A, come for the party. B, you can also come. C, come. D, come individually. How many people, students? 4. Or else he can invite 2 people also, because he told one or more. It's not compulsory one or more also. Or more means he can invite 2 people also, means 4C2. What's the value of 4C2? 6. Do you know who are the 6? Come. AB, come for the party. AC, AD, BC, BD or CD. Look, how many ways? 2 people he can invite. 6 ways. A, B, A, C, like that. I understanding, everybody? Rakesh, 31 for 5 friends. That's true. Have a look here. But I told you only 4 here. Okay. I changed the question. Okay. Now listen, Rakesh here. Or else he can invite 3 also. Listen, I'm teaching you concepts, sir. Question answer is not at all important. I'm teaching concept here. Okay. Now here, how many ways you can invite 3 people? What's the value of 4C3? 4. That's it. You can do with a pen and paper. That is 4. So what are these 4 cases? 4 friends are there. 4 friends are there. What are the 4 cases? Have a look, everybody. So that is not these cases. These are inviting 2 people. Now let's try to invite 3 people. Let's try to invite 3 people. ABC, yes sir. Please attend the party. ABD, yes sir. They can also come to ABC or ABD. That's good. Or else BCD. These 3 people can also come. BCD or ACD. ACD. You can't say CAD. Why you can't say CAD? Inviting ACD is same like inviting CAD. Why? Obviously, when you invite ACD, how can you invite CAD once again specially? No, same invitation for all. So what is this? This is actually arrangement. Do you want arrangement or selection? Selection. In selection, you don't want all these things. Following everybody. So what is the value of 4C3? You tell me what's the value of 4C3? 4. In the examinations, you are not supposed to write all the cases and check. Simple say 4C4, 4C3. That's it. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye. Or. What is it? Or. Or means what? Or. Can you invite 4 out of 4 friends? Yes. Let's try to give 4 out of 4. 4C4. You know what's the value of 4C4? 1. The one way is what? Coming everybody. That's it. So this is the way we have done the students. Are you understanding everybody? So you know what's the meaning of this or? You know what's the meaning of or? 4C1 or. Shall I multiply? No, you all know that. I'm supposed to what? Add. So 4 plus 6 plus what? What's the answer? 15 ways. Students, how many ways we got it? 15. Sunny, Teja, Kashi, many people are there. They're saying answer is 15. Ardhamaitunda. Yes. Aditi. और बोले तो क्या? Plus. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? चलिए. A sample question I make you understand. I want to see one more question. Listen to this. This is not Ramesh. This is Suresh Babu. This is Suresh Babu who wants to invite 2 or more from a group of 10 friends. Suresh Babu have to invite 2 or more from a group of how many friends? 10 friends. Are you understanding everybody? You all tell me what can be the possible answer for this thing. These options are not true, by the way. Okay, clear? These are not true options. Okay, you tell me what can be the possible answer for this given question. Any idea? Come on. Come on, students. Come on, come on, come on. What can the puzzle answer? Suresh Babu have got 10 friends. His father told to invite 2 or more. His father told to invite either 2 people or more people. Means he can invite 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also. He can invite 9 also. He can invite 10 also. Any idea, students? What's the possible answer? Very good, Rakesh Naidu. Very good. Yes, Reshma, Tiwari, Rahul, up to 10C10. Rakesh Naidu is saying that's good. On the screen. Yes, Aditi. Maybe you are busy in typing. Anna Vaddu. Anna Vaddu. Don't try to. Have a look here on the board now. Listen, everybody. 10 people are there. I want a minimum 2. Means what your answer says? 10C2, 10C3, 10C4, 10C5, 10C6, 10C10. No, stop typing. Yes, Amit, please stop typing, everybody. Yes, I know that your possible mindset says definitely minimum 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Are who has this time? I told you 10 friends. If Suresh Babu have got 100 friends, what do you do? 100C2, 100C3. No. बहुत हो गया. Never do all these things. Are you understanding, everybody? Then what to do? Then what to do? Students, have a look, everybody. Listen the concept, everybody. Whenever we have n people, and you are supposed to invite only one fellow from n. N means number of people are n, and you are supposed to invite only one fellow. So what do you say? NC1. Remember the concept I am teaching you. Suppose you have got two people. You wanted to invite two people. You can invite NC2. Total n people. Total n people. You can invite 0, NC0. You can invite NC3, NC4, NC5, NC6, NC6, maximum N, C, N only. You can't invite N plus 1, definitely. So the theorem says from NC0 to add NCN, it will be equal to 2 power N. This theorem says that whenever we have NC0 to NCN, when you add all the cases, it must be equal to 2 power N. Don't forget this. Want a proof? I'll show the proof. Have a look, everybody. Have a look, everybody. Look at this. Let me teach Ramesh Babu. Listen, everybody. We have done this question. Listen to this question, everybody. 4 friends are there. How many friends are there? 4. 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. Do you think is this matching with this thing? Yes. Look. Look. Is it matching? Yes, it's matching. Is it matching? Yes, it's matching. Now tell me what is lacking here. What is lacking here so that this series will be fulfilled? What is lacking here? This is lacking. This series doesn't add 4C0. If you add 4C0 also, now it's a complete series, students. When you add this 4C0, now this is a complete series. So you know that from 4C0, 4C1, 4C2 to 4C4, it should be equal to what? It should be equal to what? It should be equal to what? 2 power. You all know that. It should be always equal to 2 power n. You all tell me what is n in this case, students? 4. It should be equal to 2 power 4. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Now this is a complete series, students. But my father told to invite minimum 1. I don't want this. I want the answer from here. I want this. I want this. I want this. I want this. I wanted to do all these additions. Time illa. Are you understanding, everybody? There is no time to add all these things individually. Get the values, get the values, get the values, and get the final answer. Who told you to do like this? Instead of doing all these things, we can do one thing. 2 power 4 is the total. You all know that. 2 power 4 is the total case. 2 power n is the total cases. These are the total cases, students. So in this thing, listen, everybody, in this thing, what you don't want, in all this series, you don't want this. So send this thing on the right hand side. Minus. When the left hand side becomes right hand side, the magic is what? Plus becomes minus, which you have learned in school days. Okay. 4C0. 4C0 means inviting no one. 4C0. So you all know that, students. 2 power 4. 16, huh? 4C0. One way that you cannot invite anybody. 4C01. So answer is 15. Do you think you're getting the same answer? I believe that. I believe that you got the same answer. Yes, Rahul, you know. Aditi, you're also right. Following, everybody. This is one of the way of doing. But is this the ultimate doing? No. Now you just try to have a look, everybody. This question, everybody typed in 10C2, 10C3, 10C4. अरे कौन करता इतना सारा? Instead, you can use that theorem. What is lacking here? You all know that. You all know that. What is lacking here is what? What is lacking here is what? Tell me what is lacking here. 10C1 is lacking here. 10C0 is lacking here. When you add 10C0 and 10C1 to this given series, now it's a complete series. Students, we all know that it should be equal to 2 power 4. No 2 power 4. 2 power n. Here in this story, what's the n value? 10. Now this is a complete series. What did I do, students? I have added this one. That's it. It's become a complete series. Now, do you think you have to invite one? No. 2? Yes. From 2 onwards. Sir, I want the values of all these things. Are who has the time to add all these things separately? Instead, the theorem says that just try to send this one on the right hand side. That's it. So we can say only one thing. What's that? This you don't want, set it on the right hand side. Minus 10C0 minus 10C1. That's what. Answer is 2 power 10 minus this is 1, this is 10. So answer is 2 power 10 minus 11 ways. That's good. Yeah, that's good, Kasi. That's good. That is 1013. Sujita, I've got 1013. That's good, Reshma. That's good. That's good. Are you understanding, everybody? Who have saved a lot of time? Theorem. Look at that. A fine proof is here. Doing this separately is also giving 15 as an answer. Doing total minus this also gives a 15 as an answer. So what we have to understand, students, this theorem saves a lot of time of you. When do we use this thing? When they use at least. At least in minimum. Means if you want minimum these things, these all cases, do one thing total minus. I hope you all people have understood this. तो चलो 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 क्यों ना हम ये करते हैं ये देखो what's the logic now. It's not Ramesh, it's not Suresh, it's Mahesh. Obviously answers are wrong here. Okay, chaliye. Now let me just try to ask you what can be the possible answer for this question. One or more. Mahesh wants to invite one, minimum one. His father told minimum one fellow. Make it faster, make it faster. You are champions of the classes, make it faster. That is good. That is awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome. That's good, Teja. That's good, Rahul. Oh, Rahul got three. Rahul ने calculator इस्तेमाल किया है. बहुत champion है Rahul. That's good. Are you gonna do all that cases? No, no. No, no, theorem says the total 2 power 25 minus the one which you don't want. 0 you don't want. Means 25C 0. Reshma also have used that calculator. Genius है तुम लोग. Are you understanding everything? When do we use this selections? This is selection only. Selection only. What is that? We have to select only. We have to invite means select. But condition is minimum one. Means don't do all cases in this thing. Okay, now students, let's try to move forward. बहुत कर लिया है. Look at that. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. This is not my question. Students, this is not my questions. Wanna see? This question is given in aspiring minds. This question was given where, students? Aspiring minds. Following everybody? Clear? If I just try to zoom it, have a look here. How many ways? At least I can't see here properly. Whether you can see or not, I don't know. This is a screenshot of somewhere I have got it. Are you understanding, everybody? This is screenshot. Okay, so these are the possible options. These are big series are given to you. It's not my question, students. It's not my question. This question was given in AMCAT examination. I want you to answer. Agra, Bangalore, Chennai, or Delhi. It's an AMCAT question. Minimum selections is asking you. Chalo. At least. Python editor. I don't know. Chalo. Bangalore. Yeah. Aniket, your answer, Aniket answer 7C0 is missing, Aniket. 7C0 is also there. Okay, don't forget that. Chaliye. That's what. You all should know that it is C. Why it is C? Because video selections. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. This was given in this thing. Answer is right. B. Okay. Let's try to do this question, everybody. This was given in Infosys. Again. Yes. One of the candidate, his name I don't know, his server name, something is given. So this is a question which was given in Infosys. Yes, this question will also, we will do it, but this is from PNC. Following everybody? Yes, 1020, that's true. Okay, now let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward now here. Okay, I'm going to give you not 2 minutes. 2 minutes is more than enough for this question. Turant, jaldi bolo. Answer is Agra or Bangalore for two questions. These two questions, A and B. Mr. Javed, okay, get the answers properly, everybody. Selections of Mr. Javed. Make it faster, everybody. I'm giving a lot of time for you to do it. Yes, students, you got BD. That's good. Exactly three. 8 people. Exactly three. 8C3. This is not exact. This is at least. Means total minus the one which you don't want. At least one, na? This one. Yeah, within a half time, you people have done it. It's the same thing. Same old story I'm giving you. It's not like I'm giving something new to you. It's the same old story. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? चलिए. Now, let's try to see this question, everybody. Now, okay, till now we were doing selections. Now, what is this? Is it selections or what? Have a look, everybody. Have a look, everybody. Now, what did he say in this question? Yes, Harshad. Very good. Answer is BD. What did he say in this question? If a man is given three numerical digits, three numbers like 1, 2, 3. Three numbers. Students, very simple here. If a man is given three numbers and two alphabets are A and B. There are three numbers is given to you and two alphabets are given to you. How many passwords can be formed? You know password. Following everybody? How many passwords can be formed so that exactly two digits and one alphabet he must use? There is one constraint. You know, when you create a password, he tell you have to use capital letter. He have to use one string. He will say one digit should also be there. Same condition. Three numbers are available in that keypad and two alphabets are there. You are supposed to create a password. Following everybody? What the condition? Condition is that exactly two digits. Means in selection, you have to select exactly two digits from here. Which two digits even I don't know. You have to select at least exactly two and only one alphabet. Following everybody? So students, let's try to do this question now. Let's try to do this question. Now here. Let's try to have it. Two people. Whom you will select? You don't know. Let me select two people from this three. What's the answer? 3C2. And and also not or, and also that password should have one alphabet. He told you what? One alphabet. Two alphabets are one. So what's that? 2C1. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Chaliye. So 3C2. What's the value of 3C2? 6. No, sorry, it's not 6. 3. 3C2 value is what? 3. And what is 2C1 value? 2. 3 2 is what? 6. How many passwords can be formed? 6 passwords. Are you understanding, everybody, students? How many passwords can be formed? 6 passwords can be formed. Is it clear to you? Is the concept is clear? That's good. Everybody on the board now. Let me ask you one password. Leave these options, okay? Let me just try to ask you one small password. In these all 6 passwords, students, in these all 6 passwords, let me ask you one password. What is one password? 2 digits. 1 2. Sample. 1 2. I'm using 1 2. And one from here. One alphabet from here. A. This is one password. 1 2 A. Or else in the 6 password you can select 1 2 B. Look, 1 2 B. Are you understanding, everybody? Reshma is saying, but they can be differently arranged. They're coming. I'm coming, Reshma. I'm coming to your point. Reshma, I'm teaching you what are the 6 passwords I'm telling you. How many ways I can select 6 passwords? 1 2 A, 1 2 B, 2 3 A, 2 3 B, or 1 3 A. Like this, how many passwords? 6 passwords. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. So all these passwords, we all know that. But one student says, sir, password तो password होता है. 1 2 A. Are you understanding, everybody? Let me take this one single password. Like this, you have 6 password, students. Let me take one password, that is 1 2 A. Do you think that 1 2 A password is different from A 2 1? Do you agree that 1 2 A is different from A 2 1? Yes, of course. Of course, 1 2 A is different from A 2 1. How? Definitely, password will change. If 1 2 A is different from A 2 1, definitely one more password. 2 1 A. A21, 1A2, 2A1, same people. I'm ton. What I'm doing now, I'm arranging. Students, what I'm doing right now, I'm arranging. You tell me how many ways 3 people can be arranged in 3 places. You learned yesterday. That is 3 factorial. How you got this 3 factorial? 3 people, 3 places, 3 factorial. So what do you think? Do you think all these passwords are different passwords? Yes. How you got all these different passwords? Again, you got it by arrangement. Are you understanding, everybody? Rakesh Naidu, this one single password, if you interchange, you interchange all these things. Zatak, you got one more 6 passwords, 3 factorial passwords will be found. With only one single 12A. With only this thing, you can create 6 more passwords by arranging them. With this thing, 12B, in this thing, 12A is there. Now new password, 12B. So with this thing, again 6 password, then 23A. 6, again 6. So each password is 6, again 3 factor. All these 6 passwords have to get multiplied with 3 factorial once again. So this is 6, this is 6. 6 are what? 36 passwords. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? What is this? Selection. What is this? Selection. But after selecting, what you are doing? Arranging. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is one such question where you have to do selections also, and where you are supposed to do arrangement also. Following, everybody? So don't forget all these things. Don't forget all these things, students. He told you password. Understood what is the difference? This is all selection, different 12A, 12B, different passwords. Each password of 12A are selected. Ardhamaituna. I think that is S. That is S. Following, everybody? This is a question which the Infosys has given. Following, everybody? I want you to do this question right now. Same question I typed it for you. Please do it now, everybody. Reshma's getting C. Teja Reddy, have you got C? This is a Infosys question given in 2019. What you're supposed to do here? Are you supposed to do P, or are you supposed to do C, or are you supposed to do both? Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. That's good. Answer is not just 40. After taking 40 passwords, yes, Sagar, that's good. After taking 40 passwords, you have to multiply those 40 passwords into more and more arrangement. You have to multiply all these 40 passwords with more and more arrangement, because here here you have to do first selections of passwords, and each password is multiplied by this thing. Following, everybody? Both. That's good, Induja. Both we are supposed to do it. Yes, Teja also got both. Good to know that you have got everybody. Okay, now let's try to move forward, everybody. What is said that here five numbers and four alphabets. You have to select for alphanumeric words how many? Two digits and three alphabets. So what is that? 5C2 into 4C3, that is 5 2 is 10. 10 into 4, 40 passwords. But let's try to take one small example. As you all have done, I am happy that one password. How many digits? Two. 1, 2, 3 alphabets. ABC. 1, 2, ABC is one password. But who said that this is the only password you should set? You can interchange all these things to make more and more passwords. You know that. To make more and more passwords. You know that. We have learned the permutations. 5 people, 5 places. You all know that. 5 factorial. Multiply this thing. That's it. समझ में आ रहा है? Is it clear to you? So this is the way we are supposed to do it, everybody. Yes, this is the same question. So let's try to check out these answers, everybody. The answer is not 40. I think you can see that. Answer is not 40. Answer is this thing, 4800. I hope you're understanding this thing. Chali, let's try to move forward, everybody. Why I'm showing you all these things by copy? Because I must teach you this one. Okay, everybody. Now let's try to do those questions which are slightly important here. Listen, everybody. ज्योत्सना, सब लोग देखो यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा है. Listen to this question, everybody. Here there are 22 stations on a railway track. A railway track have 22 stations. If a station master have to give a ticket from one station to another, so how many tickets are issued? How many tickets are required? Do you have any idea how many tickets are required over here, students? Please tell me the quick answer. Please tell me the quick answer. A very short question I'm giving you. 19th question. That there are 22 stations on a railway track. There are 22 stations on a railway track. If a station master have to issue a ticket from one station to another, 21. Good, Reshma. Grishma, very good. 21. Any other wrong answers? Very good. Very good, Anusha. 2. Very good. Anusha, very good. Wrong answers. Any more wrong answers? Please, please. Very good, Aniket. 21. Aditi, very awesome. Wrong answers. Any other wrong answers, Aditi? That's good. That's good. That's good. Rakesh Naidu, 22, 21, 20, so on to 1. Exactly wrong. Exactly wrong, Rakesh. That's what. Why I'm asking you, I know that in my live classes in Amirpet, Hyderabad, many students do a mistake in this thing. That's the reason I want you to give the answers, because many people have done a wrong this one, because here comes the concept. Sipradas also have got the wrong answer. Here comes the concept. Here comes the concept. Is it permutation or is it combination, or how to apply this thing? This is what. Yes, Manikanta, wrong answer. Following everybody. That's good. You all are giving wrong answers. One ticket, 100% wrong. Yes, let's try to move forward without wasting the time, students. Without wasting the time, let's try to move forward, everybody. Listen, everybody, here. Are you listening, everybody? Listen, everybody. Yes, yes. 231. I am standing 231. Are you sure? Yes. Everybody on the board now. Everybody on the board now here. I'm teaching you the concept, sir. That's what you're looking. Okay. Now, look at that. In a chess tournament, there are 14 players from 14 different countries. If every player is playing a game with the other, how many games are required? How many games are required in the tournament? That's it. Again, you will have a doubt in this thing. Here, one more question. In a farewell party, there are 17 persons. How many persons are there? 17 persons. If every person is shaking a hand, if every person is shaking a hand with the other person, how many handshakes are happened in the party? How many handshakes are happened in the party? Following everybody. Is it clear to you? Again, you might have a doubt in this question. I know that you are giving the wrong answers. Let's try to move forward. He told you, sir, in a class there are 12 friends. Sir, in a class there are 12 friends. If every friend is exchanging a greeting card with the other, if every friend is exchanging a greeting card with the other, how many cards are exchanged? Again, you have a doubt. You will type something 12, 12 C2, 12 P2, or 12 power 12, 2 factorial, 12, some 22. Mayank Tiwari, exactly wrong. Again, one more. 10 non-collinear points are there. 10 non-collinear points are there. How many lines can be drawn? How many lines can be drawn? Again, this is also one more question. Are you understanding, students, everybody? Is it clear to you? That's good. Yes, 353. Sunny, Babu, Sunny. Sunny is saying 353. Ho sakta hai? We don't know. Look at that. Now I'm going to teach you the concept, everybody. Listen, everybody. It takes time to understand here. Have a look here. Suppose, let's try to talk about one simple concept of shaking of hands. Shaking of hands. Three persons are there. Persons are there. When three persons are there, three persons have done their engineering. Students, three persons have done their engineering, and after engineering, are you understanding? After engineering, they are having a get together. So how many ways they can do the handshake? Shaking of hands, I'm teaching you right now. Look at that. First handshake. A is telling to B, hello B, how are you? This is one handshake happened between A and B. A is telling to C also, hello C, how are you? B is telling to C also, hello C, how are you? Over three handshakes. Now, do you think that B will shake a hand with A once again? Do you think A is shaking a hand with B? Hello B, how are you? Do you think B will remove the hand? Ha ha, hello A, how are you? Do you think this will happen once again? No, no. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Now, A shaking a hand with B is same as B shaking a hand with A. A shaking a hand with C, it's same like this. BC, CB, same like this. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Means you all know that. What is this? Permutation. You remember I taught you this concept? Back, 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 back. Remember all these things.